Hey guys, Attorney Scott DeSalvo here, and in today's video I'm going to answer the question, if I had an accident or a fall, should I give a recorded statement? Generally, what I tell people, so this is how it works. We get this a lot in car crashes and fall down cases, but also sometimes in workers' comp cases. And this is how it goes down. You have an accident, you probably don't want to call a lawyer, you want to report the accident, and then an insurance company or a store representative or somebody wants to do a recorded statement. It's usually somebody with an insurance company or a claims investigator who works for the insurance company. And so in order to do that, they have to they say, okay, I'm turning on the tape recorder. Dear Mr. So-and-so, it's such and such date, my name is blah, blah, blah. Dear Mr. So-and-so, do I have your permission to record this conversation? Yes, and then they ask you a bunch of questions. That's a recorded statement. Now, sometimes people get confused when I tell them beware recorded statements, because all business and insurance lines say what when you're waiting for somebody to pick up the phone? This line might be recorded for quality assurance and training purposes, right? That's not a recorded statement, okay? They have to ask your permission and say, okay, make a little announcement, turn on the recorder, make sure that it was recorded with your permission, and then even at the end, they ask it again. Did you tell the truth, and was this all recorded with your permission? So, I bring up the topic because I had a guy with a very serious injury case who called me who did give a recorded statement. So why are they so hot to get a recorded statement? I'll tell you why. There are many, many things. Listen, I talk to thousands, probably 1,000 injured people a year, some percentage of which actually become clients, and some just have old cases or a pending case, and they just have a question. Or it's a case that, is expired or is unwinnable. The insurance companies will tell you that the reason they want a recorded statement is they want to hear it from you exactly what happened. And it plays into human nature. Anytime anyone gets hurt or has an accident, most people want to tell their story. Like they have a desire inside them to be heard and tell their story. And sometimes it's because they want people to understand it wasn't their fault, or they want sympathy. The problem is that it's not just you and your best friend talking about how the accident happened. It's literally, they want to spring a trap on you. They want you to say or do something. They want you to say something during that recorded statement that doesn't make sense. They want you to catch you right after the accident so that your memory is hazy and you speak very imprecisely, and you give them a lot of, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. Now, that happens to me all the time when people call me after an accident. They'll say, oh, I don't really know. Oh, I don't really remember. Oh, and I'm like, listen, if you can't remember anything about how you fell, what made you fall, and the conditions and where it was, we'll never have a case. So I know that as you sit there, the shock of it is still there, but I need you to slow down, and we're going to go step by step through it and really help you remember and help you focus in on the details I know, because I don't remember or I don't know works in just a casual conversation, but not in court and not to an insurance company. Because once they have you saying, I don't remember, I don't know where it happened, I don't know exactly when, I don't remember what street, I don't remember what direction I was going. Once they have you in a recorded statement, they can impeach you with that. Okay? They can make it look like anything more precise you say later isn't coming out of your mouth, it's coming out of your lawyer's mouth, right? Or that you're making it up in order to win your case. And I don't do that at my office. I don't know any lawyers who do that, who do that. There might be a couple of possible exceptions of law firms when I was a younger attorney who I strongly suspected that that's what they did. But anyway, my point is, giving a recorded statement without a lawyer is usually a really, really bad idea. And once they have that recorded statement, they don't have to send it to me. Unless they agree to do it, I always make, anytime I present a client for a statement, I always tell them I want a copy of it immediately. Not 6 months from now, not, oh, we lost the recording. I want a recording and your transcription of it. And if they won't give me a copy or agree to give me a copy, then I don't present my client for the recorded statement. But anyway, my point is, when I present somebody for a recorded statement, I prep them. I explain all this to them, that this isn't a polite conversation with your best friend. They are trying to save an insurance company money by hurting you, by making sure you don't get any money or they cut off your medical care, right? So they're not your friend. So they can be rude to you during the statement, or they can be nice as pie. But at the end of the day, you have to keep in mind, they're not there to help you. They're there to beat your case, tell their boss that they beat a case and get a promotion or a raise or a bonus. And for the corporation, the insurance company, the claims company, that's how they make profits. And that's one of the reasons why I'm a lawyer. They screw injured people out of money and they laugh about it. They think it's funny. They know what they're doing and they laugh about it. So anyway, don't give a recorded statement. Never, you can always count on a lawyer to use 10,000 words when I could have just said, don't give a recorded statement without representation. But that's the Reader's Digest. Don't give a recorded statement without representation. They're going to trap you. They're going to hurt your case. 9 out of 10 times it hurts your case to do it without being represented. So anyway, hope that info is valuable to you. By the way, it doesn't necessarily mean if you gave a recorded statement that your case is over. A lot of times the adjusters are not very good at asking questions, which is why they have literally a template that a lawyer wrote so that they get the aha, gotcha questions. But a lot of times it's not fatal to the case. So don't think your case is over just because you gave a recorded statement prior, but definitely let your lawyer know so that your lawyer can attempt to get it before your case goes into suit or before you give a deposition. Okay? So anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the info helped you. Hope you have a great day. If you need a lawyer, 312-500-4500, any kind of injury case, you can call that number anytime, night or day. 312-500-4500. Useful tools on my website, links in the description. They're basically calculators that tell you whether you have a good case or not, and or what the value of the case might be, how much cash it's worth. 100% free, no obligation, links in the description. If you wouldn't mind giving me a 5-star review on Google, I would certainly appreciate it. Link in the description. And if you enjoy the video, like and subscribe. Hit the bell so you get notified of new videos when they come out. And if you have a question that you want answered on video, you can comment below, or you can always send me an email at service@desalvolaw.com, and I will answer your question either directly to you or in a video, or probably both. That's usually what I do. When somebody asks a question, I answer them directly and privately, and then I also make a video. So anyway, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.